guys, if you haven't already seen it, Colin and I did a DOOFOOD recipe. What did we make?
Bulgogi barbecue.
Yes, and it was delicious.
It was really good.
So we are back with meal number 2, which is going to be soy sauce steamed chicken.
All right.
So one of the major issues was that I had not thawed the meat before we did the last one. We managed to cook it and still eat it, and it was fantastic.
It was great. I don't really, like, there was no huge downside of not, I was worried it would burn, but it seemed to turn out just fine.
No, it was fine. I mean, it took a little bit longer to cook, but that was about it. So anyway, I did thaw this one. Yay. Oh, and then the other thing that I wanted to mention is we were saying that all of the ingredients are listed on the back. That's not entirely true because they don't list the seasonings that they use, because this is pre-seasoned meat, and like the sauce will be a seasoned sauce, not just sesame oil. So
yeah, it's true.
Anyway, but you can find all of the ingredients and stuff online. Okay.
Let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
All right.
I'm hungry.
So they say to use a pot, but I don't have an induction pot, so we're gonna use the only induction pan we have, and should be fine. There's only like 250 milliliters of water, so it's like a cup of water, so I think we'll be okay. So let's do it. Okay. Step 1, throw in some water, throw in the chicken.
So
vegetables, garlic, and sauce. Where's the vegetables, garlic, and sauce?
Oh, probably in the fridge.
Oh, okay. I was
in the bag. Okay. All right, soy sauce steamed chicken.
All right, 250 milliliters exactly.
Okay.
Step 1, turn this on.
Boil it.
We're adding in the water.
Love this. This is so easy. They already minced our garlic.
Yeah,
I don't
it is super
have to chop
nice.
anything. I just have to figure out how to get the tape off.
All right, chicken's all pre-done. Some very watery chicken.
Garlic.
Whoa, that's garlicky.
Right? It was a big blob of garlic. Okay, veggies coming in.
Hit it.
Also paper towel or something. Thank you. Get every last scallion. There we go.
Too much gluten in there. Okay, so it's on as high as it goes. Whoa,
sauce.
that looks tasty. Now, what was this on the spice level, if anything?
I don't remember. It smells good.
That smells super, super good.
Yeah, I do wish that it would remind me on here if this was spicy or not.
We're just gonna throw the top on just to help it boil a little bit.
There is some red pepper in here,
Nice.
and it looks like a spicy type of pepper.
Nice.
So.
Okay, so this says bring to a boil and then boil an additional 8 to 14 minutes on medium-high until only a small amount of water is left.
We should take the lid off once the water starts boiling.
I agree with that statement. So, and then you add the noodles, boil it for 1 to 2 minutes, and that's it. So we'll see you in about 8 to 14 minutes.
Okay, it's been approximately 15 minutes?
Yep, since it started boiling. So last instruction, throw in the noodles, 1 to 2 minutes, and we are done. No! Get in there.
Doesn't seem like a lot of noodles.
Well, yeah. All right, give it a shot.
That looks so good.
Really good. Really tasty. Very soft. A little bit of spice, but not too much. Yeah, vegetables turned out really well. Yeah, really tasty sauce. Tiny bit of, just a hint of spice. Chicken's really tender. This is awesome.
The carrots still taste like carrots.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like if you cook them too much, they just kind of taste like whatever else is in the pot.
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's good. I love it. Okay, well, meal number 2, a success. I'm really excited. Can't wait for the army stew, so make sure that you look out for that. If you didn't already see it, I will link our first cooking video in the description box. That one goes more into detail about the whole box and all of that, and I will also leave the link so that you can check it out, see if they deliver to your area. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!